The October workshop is coming, and this month it will be all about knitting cables. I made up a stitch pattern that will help us to play with traveling cables, make cable twists both to the right and to the left, and even tackle a gorgeous butterfly cable. Just look at this beauty. We'll do it all together live on Zoom. You will see every step of making these cables, and you'll be able to ask questions and get answers right during the workshop. I'll share with you a simple tip that will forever remove confusion from knitting cables, and in 90 minutes you will have all the skills you need to tackle any errand pattern, even a challenging one. If you feel that making all these cables is too much for you, no worries. Go at your own pace. You can watch the recording of this workshop later when you are ready to ramp up your cable knitting skills. As with any other workshop, this one is exclusive to the members of the 10 Rows a Day Club. If you are a member, the Zoom link is already in your inbox. If you are not a member yet, go to 10rowsday.com/join-club. Do it right now. The workshop starts on Saturday, October the 4th at noon Eastern Time. You don't want to miss it or be late. No, you don't want that. I'll see you there.